That's the hacienda at the back. My sister just woke up. Oh. She's drunk. She's drunk. Last night she drink tuba. She drink tuba. Ken, that's the hacienda. Oh, okay. This is not our house. This is the house of her friend. Her friend, not my friend. There, the hacienda. It's so relaxing. There's a lot of manok there. I'm gonna ihaw-ihaw sa manok.
Yun sa iyang manok. Ay, nagkulong man.
Chicken!
Ayun na, ang mais.
Chicken! Chicken! Mag-ihaw tag manok. Kana o tambo kayo, bayi. Loy, kadagko sa manok. Uy, kuan ka siya. Labong kaayo. I've done my vlog already in the the hacienda de mais. She just wake up. Oh, she drink lots of tuba. Uy, tuba pala hubog girl. My sister.